Hey everyone, James from Aussie Traveller here. Just wanted to take a moment to run you through our privacy end walls. So, simple bit of gear, Textiline fabric. It's going to slide straight up into our anti-flap kit that we've already put up and set up. And we're going to peg it down. The main purpose of the privacy end wall is one, give you a little bit of privacy, but also to stop the wind from flowing through your caravan site and also to keep the sun off. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you quickly how quick and easy it is to set up. There you have it guys, as you can see, provides a lot of privacy whether you're at a campsite or like we are today, out camping in the state forest. Nice simple product.